Hello friends, today we are going to learn Standard 10 Subject Maths 1 Chapter number 2 Quadratic Equations. In that we are going to learn about Practice Set 2.5 question number 2. Find the values of the discriminant for the following quadratic equations. This is the question number 2. In that first example is x square plus 7x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we have to find out value of the discriminant. First of all, we have to compare the given equation with the standard form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and find the values of a, b and c. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 7 and c is minus 1. Coefficients of all terms. Now find the value of discriminant, that is delta. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Put the values of a, b and c. B square, that is 7 square minus 4 into a, that is 1, and c is minus 1. Square of 7 is 49. Minus becomes plus, 4 1s are 4. 49 plus 4, that is 53. This value of delta, that is discriminant, is denoted by delta, and value of delta is 53. Similarly, we can solve second and third example in question number 2. Now question number 3 is also same, only we have to find out nature of roots. In that question number 3, determine the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equations and form their discriminant from their discriminants. Discriminant is find out and then find the nature of the roots, or determine the nature of the roots. Question is x square minus 4x plus 4. X square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. We have to solve same as question number 2. Compare the given equation with the general form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and find the values of a, b and c. A is 1, b is equal to minus 4 and c is plus 4. Now find the value of discriminant, that is delta. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Value of b is minus 4 square minus 4 into a, that is 1, into c is 4. Square of 4 is 16, and minus 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16, and 16 minus 16 is 0. Means value of delta is 0. Therefore b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Now determine the nature of the roots. We know these three conditions of nature of roots. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then roots of the quadratic equations are real and equal. Now here b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Therefore the roots of quadratic equation is real and equal. Using those three conditions, we can find or determine the nature of the roots from the given, or find it out this value of discriminant. We can solve all these examples in question number 3, similarly like this only. Now question number 4 is form the quadratic equations if the roots are given. So we have to find out the quadratic equation by using given roots. Question number 4 in that first example 0 and 4 is given. As we know, let alpha and beta are the roots of the given quadratic equation. In alpha is equal to 0 and beta is equal to 4. These two roots are given. Now we have to form a quadratic equation using these two roots. First of all, we have to find out value of alpha plus beta. Alpha is 0 and beta is 4. 0 plus 4 is 4, means value of alpha plus beta is 4. Now find out alpha into beta. It is 0 into 4. 4 zeros are 0, means value of alpha into beta is 0. Now we have to find out required quadratic equation. For that, we have a formula for quadratic equation: x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Now put the values of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. X square minus alpha plus beta, value of alpha plus beta is 4x and plus alpha into beta is 0 is equal to 0. This is the required equation, or we can neglect this term plus 0 if c is equal to 0. Therefore x square minus 4x is equal to 0. This is our required quadratic equation. Got it, all of you? Similarly, we can solve other examples in question number 4. Now question number 5, find the value of k if the sum of the roots of the quadratic equation x square minus 4kx plus k plus 3 is equal to 0 is double their product. Question is given. Question number 5. Solution of question number 5. Equation is given: x square minus 4kx plus k plus 3 equal to 0. This is given. Now x square minus 4kx plus, this is third term. We have to convert the given equation into our standard form: ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now compare the given equation with the standard form: ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and find the values of a, b and c. Value of a is 1, b is minus 4k, and value of c is k plus 3. These three values are given. Now if alpha and beta are the two roots of this quadratic equation, then find the values of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Alpha plus beta is minus b upon a, that is minus value of b is minus 4k upon a is 1, minus minus becomes plus 4k, means value of alpha plus beta is 4k. Now alpha into beta is c upon a, value of c is k plus 3 and a is 1, means alpha into beta is k plus 3. Now the condition is given: sum of the roots of the quadratic equation is double their product. This is the condition, means alpha plus beta, sum of the roots of quadratic equation is double their product, means double, twice alpha into beta. Now put the values of these two. Alpha plus beta is 4k and 2 into alpha beta. Alpha beta is k plus 3. Solve the equation. 4k is equal to 2 into k is 2k and 2 into 3. 2 into k, 2k, and 2 into 3 is 2 3s are 6. Therefore 4k plus 2k goes to LHS side, it will become minus 2k is equal to 6. 4k minus 2k is 2k is equal to 6. Therefore k is equal to 6 upon 2, means k is equal to 2 1 are 2, 2 3 are 6, means value of k is equal to 3. Got it all of you? Thank you.